Here's a problem about percentages. Your weekly paycheck is 20% less than your coworkers. Your two paychecks total $755. Find the amount of each paycheck. Okay, so let's go. Let me see. Yours is 20% less. So remember how we do. So if X is coworkers' paycheck. Remember how we do 20% less? It's here. Let me remind you. Percent increase / decrease. Formulas from an earlier unit. We would always have the original plus or minus a percentage times the original equals the new. So plus for increase, minus for decrease. So if the coworkers is X and it's a decrease, so minus the percentage is 0.20, got to make that a decimal, times the original X, that'll be the new. That is your, right here, so X minus 0.20X. That's going to be your paycheck. Let me write that a little better. X minus 0.20X, that is your paycheck. Because your paycheck is 20% less. So you've got to take the coworker's paycheck, which is X, minus 20% of. So the mistake a lot of people make is they go, oh, okay, I get it. We're 20% less, so it's just 0.20. No. It's 0.20X, right? It's 0.20X. You got to take 20% of means times the original paycheck. So it's your coworker's paycheck minus 20% of your coworker's paycheck. That's your paycheck, 20% less. So now what does it say? It says that your two paychecks total $755. Your two paychecks total $755. So that means X, which is your coworker's paycheck, plus X minus 0.20X, that's yours, equals 755. See how I set that up? The two paychecks total 755. They add up to be 755. So how do we solve that equation? 1x and 1x is 2x. Oh, I should just have done all the x's. 1x is 2. 2 minus 0.20, that's 1.80 or 1.8 is fine. X is 755. So see what I did out there on the side? I just did 1 plus 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8. Is 1.8. 1 plus 1 minus 0.2. I just added like terms, the numbers in front of the x's. Now to finish solving for x, you know what to do. Just divide by 1.8. X is 755 divided by 1.8. I'm getting 419, and then like the 4s go forever. So they want us to round to the nearest cent, I think they said, right? Yeah, give your answers to the nearest cent. So the nearest cent, that would be 419.44. So X is 419.44. Now, which one is that? Is that your paycheck or your coworker's paycheck? Well, up here, we wrote X is the coworkers. That's why it's important to write those words and not skip that, not just dive right into the X's. X is the coworker's paycheck, so that's the coworkers. So we'll fill that in right here. That's the 419.44. 419.44. That's the coworker's paycheck. 419.44. Okay, and yours, what's your paycheck? Well, how are we going to do that? Well, we have a formula for your paycheck right here. So let's do that. So your paycheck is x minus 0.20x, right? So now we can just plug in the 419.44 in for x in both those spots. So it's 419.44 minus 0.20 times 419.44. Plugging in x in both those spots, right? X is 419.44. That's the formula for your paycheck. We wrote it up here. So let's hit the buttons on the calculator now. I'm getting 355 and then a bunch of fives. Let me see. I'm getting 335. 55, 335. And really, you know what? I just realized this is a little tricky. We're probably going to have to put in a bunch of 4s. If we do that, what you'll find is you get, let me try it, 419.444 times. So, yeah, 55. 555. Yeah, so plug in a little more 4s. Plug in 3 4s here. And you get this, which rounds to 335.56. $335.56. 335.56. 335.56. So there we go. That's not an easy question.